Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Rais Investment. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in raisinvest.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Rais Investment website. Now in order to create a new account, click on the sign up button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the registration page. Now enter the email address that you wish to use for your account within the email box and then enter your preferred password underneath within the password section. Now click on create account and then agree with the terms and conditions by clicking on the agree button. Now choose whether you are an individual or a member of a super fund. Then click on the continue button and now you will be asked to link your account. Choose from the various different banks that are available and proceed with linking your account, or you can click on the skip button if you wish to do this at a later time. You will also need to enter your account details, including your personal information. Then enter your phone number and your date of birth and choose whether you are a US tax resident. Finally, select a security question and then enter your answer. Now click on the next button and after finalizing a few other information, you will need to verify your account identity by entering the verification code that is sent to your email. Just check your inbox and enter the verification code within and you will be logged into your newly created account and your account will be set up right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Rais Investment. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.